How is it going, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to another CSS Battle video. By the way, someone requested a target I should work on, but I can't find the comment. I need a better way to manage like requests because they just get lost with all the comments. But anyway, yeah, just feel free to leave a comment if you want me to work on a particular challenge number, and I will try to do that. So for this one, we need to build out this cool little mountain. This one shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Looks like it's just a circle and some triangles, if I can remember off the top of my head how to do triangles. Alright, anyway, let's just go ahead and change the background color. So on the body, I'll say background of that. And then for this div, we can change the background color to that tan and probably make the width and height like 200. That's probably closer to what it needs to be. And then we need to round the edges. So I can say border radius of 200, I'm sorry, 50, whew, I can't speak, 50%. And then we want to center it, right? So in this case, we can say display flex on the body, justify content is center, align items, center. There you have it. That's how you center that little moon shape circle, that porthole, whatever you want to call this thing. Now, for the triangles, it looks like there's just two triangles that are maybe like positioned near the bottom. So inside of the div, I think actually first what we want to do is give this a class of like circle so that we can style it directly. And then inside the circle, we are going to put a div called right triangle. Okay. Now this should allow us to make this triangle over here to the right, and I'll style that. So to make triangles in CSS, you kind of do like a little hack with the width and the borders. So I'm gonna copy the color and I'm gonna say border. Let's see. What does this one need to be? I always forget what it needs to be. I think border bottom needs to be like a 50 pixel solid that. And then border right needs to be the same size solid transparent. Is that how you do it? And then border left, you do the same thing. And then for the width and the height, you need to say 0 pixels and 0 pixels. I think that's how you do it. And then to increase the size of your triangle, you would simply just bump these up. So let's try 200 and 200. It's probably gonna be too big. It might be fine because I think the triangles have the same angles as long as I just position it in the right place. So for this triangle, I'm just gonna say position of absolute. And I'm gonna say top of 10 pixels. No, actually I'm gonna do bottom. That might make it easier. So that'll bring it up. You'll notice here that there's like how do we get it so it's like hidden behind the circle? Well, on the circle itself, we can just say overflow hidden, and that should hide it. At least I thought it would. I think I need to give this like a position of relative or something. There you go. Now, yeah, let's make this triangle much bigger. We'll say 200, 200, and then we will move this over to the left some by like 200 pixels. That's too much. 100 pixels. Move it. Okay, let's do top. All right, so let's try to get the top position good. It looks like it needs to come down maybe 6 more. That looks like the peaks line up pretty good. Now we need to move it over. So instead of negative 100, say negative 90 or 80. Negative 70, 80, 60, something. All right, that is close. That is real close, but our triangle is... I'm not sure what's wrong with our triangle, but it's definitely not lined up correctly. So I'll just keep trying to move it over and see if I can get this good. $59. That looks okay, I guess. Kind of. I think it's off by pixel, but there's not that big of a deal. We can just submit it and get some points off. Now let's move on to the left triangle. So I'm gonna say left triangle. I'm gonna copy all of this code because we just figured out how to do the triangles. And yeah, let's move it over to the left some and make it smaller. So I'm gonna do 100, 100, 100. I'm gonna move it down so we get it to a good position. So maybe 100 pixels. Nope. 110, 120, 130. I think that looks kind of close. Now for the left, we'll try to keep it like at a normal number. All right, let's do this. One trick I love doing is I like to change the color of something to like something obvious that we know where it's going to. You know what I mean? So if you change it to pink, you can actually see it, or I'll do like cyan. That should pop out more. So cyan's what we have, and this is what we're going for. So if I just keep on moving it some, wow, I think that actually lined up perfectly. It's jumping around a lot. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I need to do like 69 and figure out a different for top. 68 maybe? I don't know. That looks good enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and submit this and let's see if we get a perfect score. We did. So I don't know why that was kind of jumping around when I moved my cursor over this, but we did it. If you liked watching this video, be sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Leave me a comment below if you want to see a particular target and watch me solve it. And then also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So happy coding, y'all.